If you own an auto care business like a tire shop, body shop, or full service repair shop, every single phone call that you miss could have been a customer who wanted a $500 brake job or a $1,200 set of Michelin tires. Of course, it happens all the time. Your team is with customers in store, or it's lunchtime, or it's 7 p.m. on a Sunday, and your shop is closed, but a customer called anyways. Nobody answered, and they called your competitor instead. If you miss even one call per day and you're open 6 days a week, that's 24 missed calls per month. And if your average invoice is $500, that means more than $10,000 a month is just slipping away. AutoGarage AI is your solution. It captures every single missed call. Setup takes only 5 minutes, and you only pay per new lead. Watch what happens when Anna called AG Express Auto, but the shop was too busy to pick up the call.
Hello, thank you for calling AG Express Auto. How can I help you today?
I am looking to get my tires changed for my car.
Got it, I can help you with that. Do you happen to know your tire size? It's usually on the sidewall of your current tires and looks something like 215/60R16.
No, but I drive a 2012 Ford Fusion Sports Edition.
No problem at all. Our team can look up the tire size for your vehicle. Let me get some additional details. Is there anything specific about the tires you'd like us to know? For example, the type of tires you're looking for or any other concerns?
I need new winter tires.
Got it. New winter tires for your 2012 Ford Fusion Sports Edition. Let me get your name. Could you please spell your first and last name for me?
First name is Anna, Anna. Last name is Tracy, Tracy.
Thank you, Anna Tracy. And what's the best phone number for our team to reach you?
416-338-4288.
Just to confirm, that's 416-338-4288. Is that correct?
Yep.
Perfect. Anna, I have you down for new winter tires for your 2012 Ford Fusion Sports Edition. Our team will determine the tire size and give you a call back at 416-338-4288 to go over pricing, availability, and get you scheduled. Is there anything else you'd like us to note for the team?
No, that works. Thank you.
You're welcome, Anna. You can expect a call back within the next business day, often sooner. Thank you for choosing Auto Garage AI Express, and have a great day.
And after the call, the customer gets a confirmation text letting them know that the team has their information and will be getting back to them as soon as possible. And you get an email or an SMS with all the customer's details so you can get back to them at your earliest convenience. Auto Garage AI. Capture every single opportunity. Visit us at autogarageai.com and get started today.